Programming 2017 Cadillac XTS. Turn on the car's ignition switch. Just turn on the car's power without starting the engine. First, read out the password. There are two car keys. Enter the password. Press the car ignition switch. Turn on the power. Put the car keys in the car storage box. There's a space inside this car storage box. Put the word key in and push it down. The new car key. The new car key is placed outside the car. Wait for 12 minutes. Turn off the ignition switch. It has been turned off. We have chosen mode 3. Programming in progress. We wait for 12 minutes. Press the car ignition switch for 5 seconds. The site has already shown that the car remote control can be programmed. Check the car dashboard. It has been successful because there are 2 keys in front. Now it's the 3rd key to programming cars. We said we don't need it. Look, the car's anti-theft light over here is still on. This is a car anti-theft light, although the car key has been programmed successfully, but a complete finishing programming is still needed. Turn off the car ignition switch by pressing it once. Then, long press the car ignition switch for 12 seconds. The phone shows that we need to release the ignition button. So we release it. Press confirm. Hold the ignition switch until the dashboard lights up. We turn off the ignition switch again. Long press to turn off. This time let us. For more than 5 seconds. The anti-theft light has turned off. Now we turn off the car. Then we take out this new car key. Both the car's lock and unlock buttons can be used. We have successfully programmed the car keys. No problem. Press OK. Are there any other car keys? We don't have any. Programming successful. Let's try again to see if the car will start. The car can start programming successfully.